Today, I want to talk about something important: how to stay smart when a woman starts playing with your feelings. If you click this video, there's a big chance you've experienced this before, or maybe you're going through it right now. At first, everything feels perfect. You connect, the conversation flows, the chemistry is there, and you start thinking, wow, this could be something serious. But suddenly, she changes. Her replies get slower, her energy drops, she becomes distant, and you start asking yourself, what did I do wrong? Relax, bro. What you're experiencing is very common. This is the classic pattern: hot and cold, push and pull, emotional games. And today, I'll show you how to deal with it without losing yourself. Why do women play these games? Before we get into the strategies, you need to understand why this happens. There are several reasons. She's testing you, she's protecting herself from getting hurt, she's unsure about her feelings, or she just wants to see if you're easy to play. But here's the key point: you don't need to play along. The way to win is not by manipulating her back, it's by changing how you respond. Strategy 1, recognize the signs. You can't win if you don't realize what's happening. The signs are clear. One day she's intense, the next day she disappears. She gives attention, then suddenly becomes cold. She keeps you guessing. This is not random. It's a pattern. The goal? To make you addicted to her attention. And this is where most guys lose. They start overthinking. But the truth is, sometimes you didn't do anything wrong. So what should you do? Stay calm. Don't react emotionally. Strategy 2, don't take the bait. When she plays games, she's looking for your reaction. If you panic, chase, or overreact, you give her power. Think of your emotions like the ocean. If you're calm, you're stable. If you react, you become a storm. And that's exactly what she wants. So when she pulls away, don't chase. Take a step back. Focus on your life. Keep moving forward. This shows one thing: you have self-respect. Strategy 3, communicate clearly. If you're confused, don't just guess. Talk directly. You can say something like, I've noticed a change lately and I'm a bit confused. Can we talk about it? This shows maturity, confidence, emotional control. Sometimes what you think is a game is just a misunderstanding. That's why communication matters. Strategy 4, set boundaries. This is where most men fail. If you don't set boundaries, people will treat you however they want. Ask yourself, what behavior do I not tolerate? What makes me feel disrespected? For example, inconsistent communication, emotional manipulation, constant mixed signals. Then express it clearly. For example, I need consistency to feel comfortable in this. If she keeps crossing your boundaries, walk away. Because boundaries are not about controlling her, they're about protecting yourself. Conclusion. So, the way to win this game is not by playing better than her, it's by refusing to play at all. If you chase, you lose. If you stay calm, you win. And remember this: you deserve someone who respects you, is consistent, doesn't play with your feelings. If a relationship makes you confused, drained, unappreciated, then maybe it's not the right one for you. Because the right person won't make you guess. All right, bro, those are 4 ways to deal with a woman who plays with your feelings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay strong.